We are riding all Bellewaerde coasters. From worst to best. Let's queue up. We're going to get started with the most intense ride of the park. And I'm not looking forward to this queue and to sitting in there, but here we are. Brazilian Buggies. This beast stands at a height of 4 meters. I got 29 kilometers an hour. Oh, and it's on whip actually. But best of all, you get to do 3 rounds. So 3 rounds of Brazilian Buggies. Let's go. Worth the wait. For all intents and purposes, Brazilian Buggies just what to do. Like for the kids, there's nothing else. Like no coaster. That's for the smallest. Like I'm not the audience, obviously. So for me, it's not really the most engaging ride. But it's not horrible, you know, for the kids. And for the next entry in the list, we didn't have to go far because we have Boomerang. This is pretty much the first ever operating Boomerang, so it's really unique in that sense. Still has over-the-shoulder restraints. I'm not going to expect a comfortable experience, so let's go. We've been on the Boomerang, and while it's unique that it's the first ever operating Boomerang, it is stuck in the old ages. Still has hard over-the-shoulder restraints. The brake is brutal, absolutely brutal. It rattles a bit. All in all, not the most comfortable ride. You're better off riding any of the other coasters in Bellewaerde, in all honesty. It's a shame that it's the most intense coaster out there. But from what I heard, Bellewaerde is going to be investing into a suspended thrill coaster. It would make for a great addition to this park, honestly. And if they get it, I'll definitely be back here. So we're now having to cross all through the park to get to Dawson Duel. Will be worth it eventually. Oh man, that's quite a trek. We arrived at Dawson Duel, and you'll soon see why this is such a weird and unique ride. We first have to climb up like 24 meters, I think, before we get to ride it, because it's an alpine coaster. But Belgium has mountains. Bellewaerde doesn't have mountains. So we're going to do quite a trek. I saw that only the blue side is open at the moment. So at least one credit to get. And hopefully the green one will open later on today. And that's where we have to go. So there's a 15-minute wait. Not too bad just yet. This can really pick up because single person trains, that kind of stuff. So we're almost above the treetops, so we're almost there. Let's go. Dawson Duel, blue side. See how it is. This is so weird though. There's no mountain, there's nothing, it's just empty. But it's cool, like you don't have to brake, it does it for you. I don't want to brake anyway, so I'm picking up some nice speed. Nice sides of Wakala right there. And that was it. Dawson Duel are a good number 4 and number 3. Where I would say the green side has an edge up because it's a bit more intense than the blue side. But other than that, like, it's still better than the Boomerang, because the Boomerang, come on, it's a Boomerang. The second off the list is a pretty unique Huracan. It's a family coaster with a dark ride section and everything. It's surprisingly fun. There's some forceful elements, especially in the dark, and generally just a really good ride. So let's head in. Getting my first glimpse of Wakala, which may actually be the best coaster in the park. Wakala is absolutely the best ride here. So much fun. In the back here it's a bit rattly, but it's still much better than the other coasters here. Still, Bellewaerde needs a standard coaster, so get that STC going. And then I'll be back. I'll definitely be back. So if you like this kind of video, this style of video, make sure to subscribe, like, and do all that jazz. And I'll see you for the next one.